Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Mario and it's Christmas Eve. So I really didn't get to do everything I wanted to this year. I just had so many plans, but just other things got in the way as usual. So what I'm going to do so the video goes by a little bit faster is I'm going to pop in the window corner the projections I have set up because I wasn't going to stand in front of the window for 5 minutes for that, so you can see those going while I show everything. I was also printing a candy dish for Christmas, and Donna bumped my work chair and it hit the printer and the print just skewed everywhere, so I lost 5 hours on my print of the candy dish. So that's going now. It's unfortunate. What are you going to do? But here's the video. Hello everyone. It's Christmas Eve. It's nighttime. And we got some stuff here. Got a few new things since last I showed you what I had. So let's start backwards on the side. And I got, again, these are always hard to see on the side of the house. But you got those laser lights that people always say that's cheating. But it is what it is. Alright. Again, new for this year. Snowman, 10 feet, articulating head. You got Harley Santa. A couple of lights look to be burnt out in the body. I don't know how I'll replace them because the lights go way deep. I don't think I can invert that because that's mostly plastic and not a material. These two buggers are new for this year. They were clearanced at Home Depot. So you got the penguin and the snowman. This, you can hear the background. Let's go up for a second. Oh, he disappeared, but you can see Santa's up there. These I got clearance last year at BJ's, first year out, and these cannot go back in the box. I'll have to figure out how I'm going to store this. Same thing, BJ's. This looks really nice. I had a slight malfunction with the way it was welded, but I got it. But that looks really nice, the color. And that's just a spinny. I got a ton of spinnies I didn't put out this year. It was just too much to deal with at the time. Then you got Santa and the elves on a boat fishing. And hey, it's what, Bob, I think? A minion. And you got the snowman. I think this is the second season, or is it third? But internal light is dead. You can barely see it in there if I zoom in. And this is new. Stop. These were all clearance, Home Depot. I grabbed them as I could. And so let's go around here. All right. So I really like, oh, it disappeared too quick. So I really like these white lights around the grass. Well, there's a little, I don't know, flower bed, but the laser lights, got a couple of them. So they light up the ground. And the trees, some of the lights fell down a little. Might have to adjust it. And that net that goes around the bush, I got that on clearance. You got the spinnies, you got the Joy, a couple of lights burnt out. I found a couple of replacements. Normal bulbs don't work. Apparently they're low voltage bulbs, not high voltage. So, and just some red around. And you got the teardrops here. Those go span across the whole front. I will not get on the roof. Then you got these bulbs. And I've said this before, the blues just never show up well. And the scarecrows are in the background. I was waiting for them to dry out. I finally got the turkeys away. All right. This tree, I really like it. I wish I had gotten another. I liked it so much, went back, and they already sold out because everything I got this year was on clearance. This is a burning bush. And the reason why, this is the first year I'm covering this, and the reason why is the tree has been diseased, so the branches were breaking as I was hanging the bulbs off of it, so I had so many extra sets. And by the way, all these bulbs used to be actually inside, or most of them, because I used to, all the baseboards, I used to put all the lights across them and everything, and you know, going up the stairs and everything, but I started putting them outside because it's more fun that way. Okay, you got a reindeer and another reindeer. It was on clearance. This Merry Christmas sign, it looks pretty awesome like that. The candy canes, one set blew out completely. I'm not sure what happened. So this is out. And then that says Santa Stop Here, along with that one there. Whoop. It says Santa stop there as well. And this thing, the stand, I got this for $1. It's a Mickey Mouse projection. I have it projecting on the stairs only because the stand broke after like 2 minutes. Very cheaply made. But next year I will prepare and I will build a little stand for it so it can light up the driveway path. These bushes, again, those
Merry Christmas!
are lit up.
Merry
And
Christmas!
we got this up here. Had a neighbor stop by, had a good long conversation with him about this. Maybe next year. I don't want to leave projectors out in this cold, damp type weather. So I will probably set up additional projectors next year. But I got about 5 scenes. And what I'll probably do is pop them in the corner of this video so you can see that. But you got Santa running across, his candles. And one other thing I forgot to mention were these bulbs here. Blue and red. Those normally are like $15 each. I got them for $1 each. And they're actually nice. I want to hang them from the tree next year. It was kind of a last minute decision thing. And these Santa things, they're shutting off simply because there's light shining on top. But they'll come on when the light is blocked. And that's really all I got.
It's a heavy one!
Like I said, I got several, I think I got maybe 5 to 8 different projections going on in the house that come through here. And again, that's what we got. And last but not least, we got those lasers there, but we got a couple more on the side of the house. The video's getting a little long, I apologize. And this one lights up all the bushes, the trees, and the side of the house. Just to add a little something. You can see the tree tingling. That looks really cool. And even above the house, the trees are tingling. And this is the fun one up here. I'll just capture a few seconds of that one. And it's basically just a manufacturing plant for Santa. Anyway, that's what I got for you. Next year, maybe I'll pick it up a notch because I guess I'm slacking a little bit considering what I do for Halloween. There's the light bulb. Excuse me. A little ornament on the front door. We will see you later. Take care. Merry Christmas. And have a safe and wonderful New Year. We'll talk to you soon.